I got a request to do these ham and cheese sliders. And I try to do quick and easy stuff, but this one looks like it's gonna be a little bit more complicated. But we're gonna try to make it as quick as we can. So y'all just bear with me. I had to look up some of the measurements. Y'all know I usually don't do measurements, but we're gonna use a stick of butter, because that's supposed to be a half a cup. And then we ain't gonna measure nothing else. It says do something like about a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. I'm gonna do more than a teaspoon. I'm gonna do ever how much that was. Half a teaspoon, I think is what it said, of onion powder, which that ain't even onion powder. That was garlic powder. Now I would do some onion powder. And we're gonna turn our oven to 350 and let it preheat. Make sure ain't nothing in there. Make sure ain't nothing in your oven before you preheat it. I'm gonna stick this in the microwave for a minute and let that be melted. These slider buns out. Ooh, maybe. And just like this, and just cut the tops off of them. My wife normally makes these, but I had somebody request a video on them, and my wife don't make videos, so I'm gonna make them. A little bit hard to handle that whole thing at one time. Boom. I said boom now, Emerald, don't mess with me. And there's that. Let me check this microwave real quick. Looks like my butter is about half melted. Give it a little swish around up in there. We're gonna make these with turkey and cheese. My wife and children like turkey. Put you about two pieces on there. About 2 pieces on there. They say they want ham and turkey.
Dad, did you have ham and turkey?
We're gonna do ham and turkey. They done amended what I thought they wanted. They wanted some ham and some turkey. Sorry y'all, I'm trying to get in this childproof wrapper. Can't think and open the bag at the same time. What'd you say, child?
It ain't childproof to your kids.
No, it ain't childproof to my kid. Ain't nothing childproof to my kid.
Well, if we want food, we gonna get some food.
I ain't ever told y'all couldn't get some food. Put you some of this expensive Dijon mustard on here. I don't know how much, just you know, some. And then slip you some mayonnaise on there. Can't let y'all see what kind of mayonnaise I'm using, because my daddy might watch this video and he'd be mad at me, because it ain't blue plate. Make sure you use plenty of mayonnaise. If you got a child that do not like mayonnaise, don't let them see you putting mayonnaise on here. Because then they'll be upset because it's one of their favorite meals.
I can see you.
And they didn't know there was mayonnaise on it, I don't imagine.
I've never put mayonnaise.
She don't like mayonnaise.
I've never put mayonnaise. I've never put mayonnaise.
My wife says she never put mayonnaise. She sent me the recipe. I don't know. She left the mayonnaise out. She just trying to make that kid eat these sandwiches. That kid will not eat mayonnaise. I don't understand it. Throw them on that. Look at that. Don't that look awful, y'all? Whew.
Yes, it probably do.
She said it probably do look awful because of the mayonnaise.
It look awful on your face.
Ooh. Alright. A little mayonnaise slathered all up on that. Look at all that extra mayonnaise. I need to put some of this on that other sandwich. Watch this. We gonna... Man, I am not gonna be able to upload this video because I'm messing it up. I'm gonna upload it though. Now. Watch out, I'm throwing knives across the kitchen, kiddo. Alright, get it like that. Don't put no mayonnaise on it because your kid don't like mayonnaise.
I didn't know where to put this.
Sorry, I had to go wash my hands. Now we're gonna see that this buttermilk.
Now we have the magic dipping sauce.
That buttermilk, did y'all see that? That's juicy. Now we're gonna pour it all over these sandwiches.
We gotta pour the magic on.
Just kind of just drizzle it all over and just kind of make a mess with it. And oop, I spilled it a little bit. But yeah, there you go. That's how you make them. Cover them up, throw them in the oven for 10 minutes, take them out, uncover them, throw them back in the oven for 10 minutes, and they done. Don't forget to put cheese on these sandwiches when you're making them. They ham and cheese sliders, not just ham and turkey sliders.
Ham, turkey, and cheese.
Yeah, turkey's extra. I don't know. That's something my wife and kids want on there. Is some turkey. I'm a ham kind of guy myself. I don't eat a whole lot of turkey.
I'm gonna take my part and add more mustard.
Put a little cheese on there. There's mustard on them already.
I'm gonna put more mustard.
I got one daughter like mustard, and I got one daughter don't like mayonnaise.
I will eat me a mustard and mayo sandwich. I will eat me a mustard sandwich.
A mustard sandwich.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't forget your cheese, because then you'll be pulling it back out the oven. Trying to add some cheese on there, like I'm doing. And you feel like salt on your video. Even my baby laughed at me. She said, ha ha, daddy feel like salt. Alright. Now, cover them up. Put them back in. Ow, that's hot. Ugh. Don't grab your pan barehanded when it just come out the oven. It's hot.